How to buy a virtual Roblox gift card. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to easily purchase a virtual Roblox gift card. So get started, visit roblox.com on your web browser, and it's recommended to sign into your account where you will redeem the code. If the gift card is for someone else, customization can be done on this website. Select the gift cards option on the left-hand side to access the page. Purchase the official Virtual Pro gift cards by clicking on Shop Gift Cards option. Here, choose between buying a gift card for a friend or for yourself. Then decide if you want a digital or a physical one. Click on Send a digital card. Make sure to select the appropriate currency that matches your account location to avoid the redemption issues. Customize the virtual card by selecting various options from below. Set the amount with the options ranging from $10 to $500 in increments of $5. Add the item to your cart and proceed to check out and choose your preferred payment method among the PayPal, Google Pay, or the debit or credit card. Complete the purchase, sign in, and receive your digital code for the redemption on the official Roblox website. So I hope this video was helpful in guiding you on how to buy a virtual Roblox gift card. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.